Other news today, a child chokes to death on food every 5 days in this country. And Mike, the Situation Sorrentino from Jersey Shore, says his little boy could... Now a scary moment at a restaurant as a 10-month-old baby starts choking on a piece of pancake, and practically all of the other diners rush to try to help. But when the Heimlich maneuver didn't...
Choking essentially cuts off oxygen to the brain, which is called cerebral hypoxia. Brain cells are sensitive to a lack of oxygen. Some brain cells start dying after less than 5 minutes without their oxygen supply. Irreversible brain death occurs in about 10 minutes. According to an article posted on the National Safety Council, in 2015, 5,051 people died from choking in the United States, and 2,848 of them were older than 74. In the United States, the odds that you'll die from choking on food. Hard thrusts can hurt your abdomen and organs. If you had to push hard many times, you could be facing a ruptured spleen or other issues. Also, there's a chance some food could have gone into your lungs, which might cause inflammation, infection, or collapse them. If you feel pain in your stomach, or you still can't...
Enough to see how LifeVac works. LifeVac is used when a person has an airway obstruction. Don't panic during a choking emergency. LifeVac is simple and easy to use. Simply place the mask on the person's face. Push the plunger. The air will vent out the side, while